there's a little person hanging on it because he doesn't want to climb anymore. So yeah, my measurements for this one is the length is 34 millimeters, width is 14 millimeters, and height is 5 millimeters.
Nice.
So my rockle is for length 30 millimeters, this, width 10 millimeters, and then height 5.
Nice.
So our rock is this big one, and my length for the red, orange, yellow one is, the length is 19. The width is 18, and the height is 4.
All right.
So this is also mine, and
You guys combined your rock?
we combined the rock, and
You did the green, blue, and purple.
and it's the same, like the same width and the same height.
All right. Nice. How about you?
This is my rock,
Uh-huh.
and it's 25 millimeters. Length is 25, and width is 11, and height is 5 millimeters.
Nice. Good job.